Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here for another video. Today I'm here to do live of a squishy slash slime scammer. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I just forgot that I got an order like 3 months ago and she just texted me. Okay, I wrote down her things and I put a smiley face even though I'm not really happy right now. Okay, so she ordered, let's just see what she ordered. 2 squishies, which were, I don't remember, I just put random things on the paper. I'll just give her these 2 squishies because I don't really remember what she ordered. I just put random things on the paper. Okay, so where's a mailer? I just fell. Okay. With all my squishies down there. Okay, here's a mailer. It's pretty crinkled, but she won't care. 1 squishy, 2 squishies. Next thing, 1 slime. I was playing with a slime right here. I don't really like it anymore, so I'll just give it this because I'm in a rush right now. She ordered 2 containers that were free. I need to give her a bag with containers in them. Okay, I'll give her this container, and these 2 mini containers. Okay, now I need to give her, and I said I would give her extras, so I have to give her extras. Is already stuff that she will not care because she ordered for me, so she clearly doesn't care. This is kind of dirty, but I'll put some glitter, paint tube, and this very defected soccer ball. Now I have to tape it. Okay, let's just tape it. 1. Give her double tape. Just in case something. Okay, let's just put this in. And the note. Okay. Hopefully she doesn't see this video that I'm scamming her. But she should know that I'm a scammer because my shop doesn't look amazing, but it's okay. And usually you get scammed from people. Okay, let's go ship this off. So, let's go. See, here's the mailer that I put it in. So yeah, let's just go ship it off. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a squishy slash slime package. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So the mailer is kind of crinkled, but it don't matter. Oh, here's the note. Put this here, you guys can take a sneak peek. I didn't look, and I'm not going to. So first thing I see is the note, and it says 2 squishies, 1 slime, 2 containers that were free. Oh, and I ordered this like 2 months ago, and it just came right now because I guess she forgot because she said she had a lot of customers, so I guess she forgot. But I don't blame her. I mean, she was in a rush, so. 2 squishies, 1 slime, 2 containers that were free, extras, and a happy face. This is not really specific. I actually know what 2 squishies and 1 slime I ordered. I ordered 1 fluffy slime. I ordered 2 containers. 2 squishies. I ordered what was it? Oh yeah, a pineapple donut, a jumbo pineapple donut, and also a jumbo pineapple bun. And this is kind of small for the pineapple bun, because if you guys have seen that thing is like huge. It's probably bigger than this mailer. So yeah, maybe she's just sending it in another pack, or maybe she just didn't have any other mailers since. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of weird because you're supposed to say what things I said. Okay, first thing I pull out is a little blind bag. Did I order this? Maybe this is my containers? Oh, it says extras, you guys. So it's my extras. There's a lot of tape on this. Okay, let's just take this off. Oh my gosh. Just take all this off. Guess you got a sneak peek in there. Let's pull something out. She gave me a super defected manufactured defect. A super defected soccer ball, stress ball. So thank you for this. But all is defective. Next thing is some glitter in a little container. I could use the glitter for slime and I can use the container for slime. So thank you so much. Next thing is a slime container. No, it's an empty bottle of paint, which I can put slime in. Still has a little paint, but it's all dried up, so I can just clean this out and use it for a little tiny bit of slime. And that's all my extras, so thank you so much. Next thing I pull out of the mailer is my containers. Okay. So these are my containers that were, yeah, my containers were free. She didn't put my total. But, yeah. Okay, so she gave me a container that actually looks similar to this. That's this thing. Thank you for that. A purple container. A tube container. And a mini container. So, thank you so much. Next thing, I hope you guys can't see this sloppy mess. The next thing I pull out is a container. I can't open this. Oh, this is my one slime, and that was my fluffy slime. Maybe this is just another extra because the container can't fit in the bag. So, yeah, thanks for this extra. Thank you. I actually really like this. I think it's a slime smoothie. Wait, did she? Yeah, she put slime smoothie on the back. She put the name slime smoothie on the back, and yeah, I think she makes like, it's really pink and glittery. Actually don't know, but I know it's a slime smoothie. So thank you for this. Next thing I pull out of the mailer is a squishy. I actually did not order this. She didn't put any of the actual things I ordered. She just put 2 squishies, 1 slime, 2 containers that were free. She said 2 containers. She gave me 1, 2, 3, 4. She gave me 4 and she said 2. And then she gave me 2 extras and 2 containers that were free. So thank you, but I did not order this squishy. But this cannot fit in the bag. It's the size of the bag. So maybe it's just another extra. So a lot of extras in this. It's not even so heavy anymore. Oh, I feel squishy in here. I feel squishy. So maybe that's my squishy. So thank you for this extra. Super amazing. Next thing I pull out of the mailer is a squishy. Is another extra, which is a defected panda bun. Can you see this? This panda bun has no face. It's literally just cracked up. Instead of happy, the panda has no mouth. Thanks for this extra. Next thing I pull out of the mailer is air. There's nothing else in the mailer. I'm missing 2 squishies and 1 slime. So I'm confused. She did give me 2 squishies, and it just says 2 squishies, 1 slime, which she didn't mention really specific was the containers, because she said 2 containers and there's 4. Did she scam me? She didn't mention any of the actual squishies. Did she just give me random squishies and random slime? She just... I know my total, guys. This, which is supposed to be my pineapple jumbo bun, that's like the size of my table, was $35. And this is the biggest squishy, so I'm just gonna assume she thought this was it. And my panda bun, which I ordered a jumbo pineapple donut, which was also kind of the size of the pineapple bun. But smaller, so I'm guessing this is what she assumed it was. She described everything correctly on the paper. She described everything that I just got correctly. 2 squishies, 2 squishies, 1 slime, 1 slime. But the only thing she got wrong was that she gave me, I think these are like in there. I don't know. They couldn't have fallen out because all this duct tape was on it. Can't even make a smiley face right. Like, this is so annoying. And a crinkled mailer. Maybe that happened on the phone, but still, this is unacceptable. Like, this glitter was okay. Like, this is like the only good thing that came out of this package. These glitter things I didn't even order. I can put in my slime, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna have to contact her, guys. But yeah, see you guys later. Guys, she contacted me, but I got away with it. She ordered a pineapple one, and that was very expensive, so I kind of feel guilty for that, but I'm a scammer. I don't really care. I'm used to being guilty, feeling guilty ever since my first scam. So, I'm alright, y'all. And I get about $150 for nothing. It's like I won them in the lottery, but I didn't. But yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, for that. That my camera would not pause. But yeah, hopefully you guys... I said, yeah. What is yeah? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is a new squishy that I just got that was opened, and I was crinkling it a lot in the store because I just wanted to touch it, and I just wanted to squeeze it so much, so that's why the thing is crinkled. And yeah, I just duct taped it and used it for this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to become part of the Banana Bundle by clicking the red subscribe button, turning on your notifications, liking this video, and comment down below #NewBanana, and I will shout you out. So actually nobody has done that. Oh, and guys, I am doing a giveaway, which is this slime smoothie. So hopefully you guys subscribe, and yeah, bye. And this will probably be like 3 seconds, so I can stop the video because it takes like so long. But bye.